Well, hello folks. We are at Disney Springs on a happy occasion. It is our 100th video. 100 videos.
Yay!
We made 100 videos.
I know. No, I can't.
Oh my goodness.
And hopefully many more to come.
And where are we going to celebrate?
At the Rainforest Cafe, we're going to celebrate.
Rainforest Cafe. And we are renewing our Disney passes. So that's what's happening today. So we're inviting you to come along and join us at the Rainforest Cafe. See you in a bit.
Are you excited?
I'm always excited when we're at Disney.
Aww.
Never know when I might see Minnie around.
Heading towards the Disney Ticket Center on the opposite side of the Welcome Center. We got them last year's and this year's.
It only took us about 15 minutes, I would think.
To renew inside there.
Looks nothing like me.
No.
My ears need to grow a little bit bigger.
Yeah.
The Mickey ears.
So now we're on our way to Rainforest Cafe. Let's eat.
Wait.
What?
First, we have to see the volcano explode.
Okay. All right. And then we're gonna eat. We got a reservation for 2 in the afternoon because then I don't have to cook him supper.
How's that work out?
Oh, it's between lunch and supper, so it's lubber.
Come up with special words. So
Lubber, yes.
So I don't have to have dinner tonight.
Right. You're eating at 2 in the afternoon. You don't need dinner.
It's going to take me to a place where they have thunderstorms. And
that's right.
So I don't have to eat tonight. Volcanoes and thunderstorms. That's what I'm talking about. Now that's a lunch.
Exactly.
Volcanoes and thunderstorms.
All right.
Oh,
what?
Isn't there a giant crocodile?
Yes, there is. Be careful.
That could be problematic, people.
Okay, let's go.
Watch your fingers. Well, now we're on our way over to the rainforest. See what's going to happen over there. So, other than lightning and thunderstorms and volcanoes and crocodiles, minor things like that. Should be a good lunch.
Okay. We gotta go that way.
We gotta go that way.
We have to go that way. Just tell me where to go and I'll walk. I have no idea.
Actually, I guess
no. Oh my, that's the bathroom.
We have to go across that bridge over there.
Okay, then
well, we could go that way.
Yeah, but let's go this way.
Let's go that way?
Go this way.
This way?
Yeah.
We missed our turn. Actually, we turned right instead of left.
Yes.
There's Beth's sprinkle place. She likes to get her cupcakes.
Yep. We did a whole vlog on that and all the dessert places. So if you look back on our videos, you'll see that.
And across this bridge, and just up a little bit, is the famous cookie place. What's the name of the cookie place?
It is Gideon's.
Gideon's!
That's what you send us for.
And there's a short line at Gideon's. Not too bad today.
Oh yeah, look at that.
It used to be backed up all the way around the block, waiting for hours and hours.
It's a Tuesday, so
So good day to come to Gideon's on a Tuesday. Although we're not going to Gideon's today. We are going to the rainforest. Morimoto's is right there. We could have eaten there. You didn't say.
No. We'll do that another day.
Okay, we'll do that another day. Like next year. Put it on your calendar for this time next year when we come renew our passes, and we'll go to Morimoto's or Moto Mori's or whatever it is. And there is the famous hole in the wall.
You're using your new GoPro.
This is the first time I'm using my GoPro.
Yes, that you're using it.
Yes, because I bought it and you used it twice.
Right, I know.
So this is the first time I'm able to actually able to use my GoPro. As a lot of vloggers like to say, my very first time. Although this will be our very first time at the Rainforest Cafe inside.
Inside, yeah. We always eat on
We
the
always eat on the
outside.
porch because it's quick and easy. It's nice little view of the lake and all.
It's more when it's cooler, then
Yeah.
we go on the porch. But now since today, it's like 85, 89, something like that. We're gonna go inside. There it is.
There it is, over there. That's where we're heading. I gotta get one of them goofy hats. That's pretty cool.
I like it.
Where'd you get it at?
We're on the Disney.
It's right here?
Yeah, right up there.
Oh, I gotta go get it one of them. I gotta have a goofy hat.
Oh, yeah.
Beth is busy passing our cards out to people.
Yeah, I always check to make sure they're okay on our vlog. But then we also give them one of our cards. Now wait. Yeah, right.
Now she can't find any.
They're here.
You ran out of cards.
Our cards.
Well, Beth and the boys.
Yeah.
There you go.
All right.
In case you've never seen our card. It's starting to drizzle a little bit. Hello, sir. How you doing, buddy?
I'm always good, sir. We're in a happy place.
All right. Oh, happy, happy, happy.
Hello.
That's our saying on the video. Happy, happy, happy.
Happy, happy day.
The Lava Lounge is where we normally go, but we're not going to Lava Lounge today. I'll give you a shot of Lava Lounge once I get over here off this bridge. Very nice little seating area. You're right on the lake. It's all good. But that is the Lava Lounge. We go there quite a bit when we're here, but not today. And there he is, Mr. Alligator. So watch out for him. Hello, Mr. Alligator. Are you awake or are you sleeping today? Looks like he's sleeping today. Don't know what's going on with him. His eyes are open, but he's sleeping. Maybe one more. Oh, there he is. Just woke him up. Look out. Look out. I disturbed him. Oh, my goodness. But just stay over there. It's all right. Don't get upset. It's all cool and everything. It's all good. We're just going to get something to eat. Visit your establishment here. So it's all good. You can go back to sleep now. I just want to introduce the people to you. Have a good nap. I'll see you later. We can sit on these benches here if we can find a spot. And while we're waiting for a reservation. Apparently Beth made a reservation in the wrong place, so now we have to wait another hour. So we're going to sit down here and relax in the air conditioning.
Hey,
I guess I'd get the zebras, but what do you got? I'm not sure what that is.
This is a giraffe.
It's a what?
It's a giraffe.
It's a giraffe.
Yeah.
Okay, we are over in the gift shop right now, waiting for our reservations. So we're going to just cruise through here and see what they have. Lots of flip-flops going on there. Oh, it's a nice shirt. I like that shirt. Got some hats. Cool fish in your tanks. I think I lost Beth somewhere. She's running around in here somewhere. She likes these gift shops more than I do. I just walk through them real quickly and I'm done. Beth actually goes shopping. Peace, love, and good vibes. Happy, happy, happy. Oh, I like this guy. He's pretty cool. Years ago, they had Velcro on their hands. And you could put them together. They don't have that anymore on these types of things. Very soft, though. Very, very soft. Here's another cool guy. Look at this one. Hello, everybody. $31.
Originally came from the tropical rainforest. Chicle, which is used to make chewing gum, as well as bamboo and balsa wood, all originally came from rainforest.
These are the cutest things. Look at these. I love these sloths. They are so cute. Look at. Is that your kind of thing, Bob?
It's a man bag.
There you go. Is that how it goes?
Put my GoPro in there.
There you go.
Think it'll fit?
Yeah, yeah. And water and everything else. Eurosport, but I don't think that's how it goes on. Let's see how it goes on, really, for real. What?
Well, I'm sure it
See?
goes over your head.
Oh, there. That's it. There you go. So someone can steal all your stuff on the back of it. Comfortable, hun?
I could have it like this,
Yeah.
or I could,
Put it behind you and carry all your GoPro
or
equipment.
I can have it like this. Yeah,
For-
I'm thinking put all my camera equipment in here.
yeah, that's a good
My
idea.
phone, my GoPro, all the accessories,
Yep.
my wristband, my chest setup with
Yep.
that GoPro. That'll work out well.
Yeah, it does. It looks cool. Rugged.
Everybody think.
Rugged for travel.
Manly. Manly.
Looking good, Bob.
So could you say that again? Because I'm on our
We're on
vlog.
YouTube.
Yeah, I know.
You want to be on
Looking
YouTube?
good, boss.
There you go. Now everybody on YouTube's going to believe you.
Well, they better. They work at Disney, they have to believe.
Exactly. So you got your backpack there
I got my side
and your
pack.
disc, your side pack.
I'm gonna
Okay,
call
your
this
man
my manly side-
bag.
my man bag
Man
side
bag. And you got your discount for your annual pass holder.
I showed her the card.
Yep. Yep.
We'll see what the price comes up
Yep.
as.
There you go.
Here comes the thunder and lightning. 100 videos almost in a can. We're still filming the 100th one. But
Right.
We are celebrating the 100th one. Cheers for the 100th one.
Yay!
Well, I got the combo with the steak and the shrimp and the ribs and coleslaw. That looks pretty good.
I got the appetizer plate so I can have like a lot of different things. And this has corn in it and chimichanga. This is, oh, what is that? Some kind of dip. spinach dip.
Some kind of dip?
And then I got a side of the spare ribs, which look terrific. And you got some spare ribs.
I got some spare ribs. You got a lot more spare ribs than I did.
Yeah, well, mine's a side.
Wow, look at that.
Yeah, but I thought, you know what? I can always, if I don't need them now, I'll take them home. And then I don't have to cook for tomorrow night.
There you go. There's your volcano, Beth.
That's it. Look at it. Well, we're going to attempt it. There's 2 spoons here, and we're going to attempt it.
So Beth, as Yankees of the South always say, would you come back and do it again?
Yes, I would. I would. The only thing I probably wouldn't do is the volcano. Just because there was like 2 layers of like, I don't know, like marshmallowy with cream. And the brownie's good. We're going to take that home because we couldn't eat everything. And 1 little scoop of ice cream. But one thing we did get,
Bling bling. It makes it all worthwhile.
that makes it worthwhile.
So what, out of everything you ate, what was the best thing?
The best thing were the ribs.
The ribs?
If you come here, get the ribs. The ribs. Next time I come, I'm just getting ribs.
The coconut shrimp were very good as well.
Was it?
It was very, very good.
Yeah.
For you
Oh,
guys,
thank
it should be good
you. This
to go.
is Tyler.
Thank
He
you guys
was a
again. You guys are awesome
great,
people. Have a
great.
wonderful night, guys. Good luck. I will
Thank
be following
you.
you throughout your journey.
Awesome.
Awesome. When you follow us, give us a shout once in a while. Say hello on the comments.
I got you.
So there we go.
There we go. Now we got to pay the bill.
Okay, you pay the bill. I'm going to go in search of a goofy hat.
Man, look at that.
Oh, my.
Anywhere. I got it.
Wow.
I know.
Now you got to put another 50 cents in the tip
I know.
because you got to deal with that.
Tyler has to clean it. Sorry, Tyler. Well, it rained on our parade at the Rainforest Cafe.
Fortunately, I'm not made out of sugar. I'm not going to melt.
All right, waiting for the volcano.
Lava Lounge. Sounds like the volcano is getting ready to erupt. But in there is where the lounge is. Right through there. There's Goofy's Candy Company. And now I'm in search of a Goofy hat. Gotta get me a Goofy hat. That's what I'm working on now. I like Goofy. I'm a Goofy guy. Can't get enough of Goofy. Goofy is awesome.
They have all these candy apples. Look at this. And little Rice Krispie treat pops. And more candy apples. She's bringing one for me from another case. I'm going to try that orange bird one. We'll see how that is. You are Goofy. That'll go good with your Goofy shirt. Let's check some other ones out over here. That's really cute too. I like that one.
Well, friends, it's starting to rain pretty good out. And the I-4 parking lot traffic is waiting for us. I'm sure by now it's backing up pretty good.
It'll take us a while to get home.
You're going to have to put on your happy hat
Exactly.
in the I-4 traffic parking lot.
Exactly. But we are finished for the day, celebrating our 100th video. Yay!
100 videos.
Yeah.
And we did it with steak, and the shrimp, and the ribs, and the volcano cake.
Oh my. We had to.
Well, it wasn't really a cake, it was more like a brownie thing.
But we brought some home because it's too much to eat there, so. But
True.
we had a good time, didn't we, honey?
We did, I hope you all
And I
did.
hope you did too. So.
And yes, Beth got her apple.
Yes, I did.
And I managed to buy a backpack.
Man bag.
Man bag! it's for all my camera equipment and anything else Beth buys while we're out running
Right.
around.
Put it in there.
Pretty much. I may have made a mistake. Oh, didn't think about that.
I don't need a pack mule anymore.
Wow. She did not say that. No, you did not. I've always been her pack mule. She's never needed one.
No, never needed one.
Stuff that doesn't fit, she carries. Just saying. All the leftovers that she wants to take home.
Yep. I don't have to cook tomorrow night.
Left on the table.
Okay, folks.
Happy.
Happy.
Stay happy, buddies and girls and guys and anybody else that's out there. Let's be happy.
Wishing everybody
Happy.
happy.
Till next time. Bye.